To be able to use the Meliora POS, the first thing you need to do is to create an account. So you create an account for your store or for the business. So assuming you already have an account, you put in your username, your password, and then you log in. So once you get to this platform, the first thing you're going to do here is to make a provision. The first thing you're going to do is to make a provision or to upload the products. So the business that is registered on Meliora POS, the first thing you need to do is to make your products available. So you come to this tab, products. So you click on products. If you want to input the products individually, you can do it here. So you just type the code for the SKU of the products. And if it is a product that does not have barcode or SKU, you can generate barcode or SKU for products. So any product that does not have SKU or barcode, you can generate the SKU here. Generate 9 digits SKU. Then you put the product name, the selling price, the unit cost, the quantity that you have on shelf, the size, the brand, the category, and the expiring date, and then you click on Save Products. So this is how you can add products to the platform. Okay, this is how you can add products to the platform, list of items that you can choose from. So if you don't want to input these products individually, you can come to this provision. You can come to this. You can select from our own provision. So you can just come to this provision from master catalog. So what you need to do is to select the business type. You can select grocery if your business is a grocery kind of business, pharmacy, cosmetics, bakery, fashion. So you can see that grocery we have 4,469 items. So if you own a supermarket, you can select this grocery as your type of business. Then you click on provision. You can see provisioned 4,325 products from business type grocery. So 144 were already in your catalog and left unchanged. That's because this is my own account. All right. So this is how you can provision for. So this is how you can provision. You can select your product from our own list, from our own master catalog. So that is it. So you can see the products that we already provisioned, or this is the catalog. You can see the list of items that we have provisioned from our own master catalog. So this is how you add a product individually, or you select from our own master catalog. And then if you have like the list of items, maybe you have your own data, you have a list of all the products you have in your supermarket, you have it in a CSV file, maybe in Excel or Google Sheets. As long as you have it in CSV file, then you can definitely import. So you just come to this button, choose file, you choose the file, and you import it as CSV, and automatically all your data will be imported into the platform. So this is how to add products individually and also to provision from our master catalog. To go back, you just click on this tail just to go back.